You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce this word from Italian, of course, meaning tribute. Tributo, tributo is how you'd say it in Italian. Now, tributo or tributo, tributo, or you could say it as tributo, tributo. It's easy, and now you know. There's a Ferrari named that way. By the way, more videos for you here to learn more Italian and more car names too. Stay tuned. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.